Hello and welcome to Kinross Wolaroi School. My name is Denise Hayward and I'm the head of junior school. We're a pre-K to 12 co-educational school where students are central to all that we do. We have a proud 130-year history as a well-respected school that pursues academic excellence and provides a breadth of opportunities for all our students. Making the choice of what school to attend is a big decision, and now is an exciting time in our junior school as we launch new academic programs, work on our facilities and make even deeper connections with our students and their families. I'm excited for our students to share with you our beautiful school and the many opportunities awaiting your child at Kinross Wolaroi. Shall we have a look?
Welcome to my school.
We can't possibly know what the future will be like in our rapidly changing world.
It could be anything.
What we do know is that we need to transfer knowledge from the classroom to the outside world.
And we will be harvesting fruit and veg out of our veggie garden. And we'll be going out to the school farm, Windermere Farm, and doing farm work out there as well.
I like how the teachers know me. I do problem solving in year 6. Last term we did a maths Olympiad and I found it quite hard, but I think I did well.
In Area 51, I would say that it is awesome, it is fun, people will love it, and you've got to try it out. I feel like I could do anything.
We aim to provide meaningful access to the curriculum for all our students. By enhancing the motivation to learn from multiple perspectives, we build academic skills, increased resilience, and more positive relationships with others in our community. We partner with families to cater for all students' needs through identifying their approaches to learning, scaffolding their experiences, and adjusting the curriculum as appropriate. We take the time to pause and reflect on practices, to consider what we do and share our beliefs with our community. In doing this, we truly build a culture of learning. We believe in excellence in education and engagement in our ever-growing co-curricular programs. We hope you have enjoyed your time at Kinross Wolaroi School, where the focus is on the whole child, because the whole child is the whole point.
Welcome to my school.
We